Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. As you know, the summer already here. Salad is going to be the favorite dish for everyone. Today we are going to make very simple salad, which is garden salad. So let's begin with the ingredients. So on the ingredients, I have some mixed leaf. I've got some iceberg lettuce, one cucumber, some cherry tomato here. I've got a peeled carrot and a quarter of the Spanish onion, some salt, pepper. I'll be adding some chicken, so this is optional, and olive oil, balsamic vinegar for the dressing. First of all, I'm going to prep all the vegetables I'm going to use in the salad. First, I got the cucumber. So you can cut in any shape, but I'll be cutting in long way. You can dice it, it's totally up to you. So we're going to put it back in the bowl. Do the same thing with the carrot. We got the Spanish onion quarter. The reason we got the Spanish onion quarter is the onion normally is strong. You give it a strong flavor. That's why we didn't really add a lot of onion. I'm gonna cut this cherry tomato in half. If you use the big tomato, whole tomato, you can cut a bit smaller. The cherry tomato is already small, so I can cut it in half. Keep it on the side. So this is my prep. I'm gonna grab some of the iceberg lettuce. Just a rough chop. So this is for 2 people. That's why I'm not using a lot. Just a bit of that. Maybe a little bit more. Some of the mixed leaf. That should be enough for 2. And now I'm gonna prep my chicken because I'll be adding a chicken. So if you got the chicken, whole chicken from the chicken breast from the supermarket, as you can see, it's really thick. It take a long time to cook. We can butterfly it. Basically, start from the thick part, not all the way. Then you flatten, and we can baste with the mallet. Or if you don't have the mallet, you can't baste it. You can even go a little bit thinner. So you see the thick part, go once again. Nice and thin. So our chicken is ready to grill. So we've got our grill pan on the heat. You can feel it is nice and hot. So we can do, just get some bit of olive oil. Then we got our chicken straight into it. See how many can fit. Some salt. Pepper. And cook all the way. Then do crisscross on the other side. Flip it. Chicken is nice and thin, so it shouldn't take long. So when the chicken is all the way white, I can show you here, all the way white, so it is ready. So if you cook the chicken longer, you're gonna turn into like a cardboard, which you want the nice and juicy chicken and cooked. So you can put it on the side for resting. And we continue with the rest. Touch of oil. As you have seen, we have already got the chicken ready. It doesn't have to be hot because this is a salad, we can add it. So now I'm going to put everything in there. So this is the mixed leaf and then the icebox lettuce we have previously put it. So now I'm going to add pretty much everything. Cherry tomato, Spanish onion, carrot, cucumber, and now I'm going to add some pepper and pinch of salt. I've got the vinegar, just a tiny touch. It's all depend upon the taste. Some people like a lot of vinegar, some a little, and some olive oil. Going to toss them well, mix it all together. So once you put the vinegar, you can't really put it back there and then leave it later, because the vinegar got the acidic, so your salad gonna be soft if you leave it for later. So if you wanna eat later, so I suggest don't put the dressing, and just before you eat salad you can just add the dressing. That's why there's a lot of people, they do the dressing on the side. There you go. Going to add this salad, a beautiful salad for the summer, which is very popular. So the garden salad actually comes from the word garden, So whatever is available which is eatable raw, so that can be your garden salad. Some people don't have a garden, so this from the supermarket, it's not from my garden anyway. This for the two, so I'll leave some in the bowl. Cut the chicken, probably 2 tiny pieces will be enough. As you can see, the white, it's all the way cooked and it's not that dry too. Still can release some juice out of it. You can see on the chopping board. And this is going to be on my salad. That's the garden salad.